Hi, welcome back. Today we will learn Italian verbs and pronouns. There are 7 pronouns. We will learn step by step. After pronoun, we will look at the verb. Okay? So, let's start the lesson. Io means I. Tu means you, singular. Lui, he. Lei, she. Noi, we. Voi, you, plural. Loro, they. Just remember, we also have egli instead of lui, and also we have ella instead of lei, but they are not used anymore except in the books. You just need to remember them. Maybe you will see them in the textbooks or somewhere else in the future. And we also have essi and esse instead of loro, which is third person pronoun. It's also used mostly in textbooks and especially in grammar books, but they are not used in spoken Italian language. In daily life routine, you will use lui, lei, loro. Okay? Now, let's learn the verb to be. In Italian, it's essere. Essere. Remember double S. Essere. Io sono. I am. Tu sei. You are. Lui è. He is. Lei è. She is. Remember, it's not I or it's not I. It's è. Remember the accent. Noi siamo. We are. Voi siete. You are. Plural. Loro sono. They are. Now let me give you some example about it. Io sono a man. I am a man. Io means I, sono, am, and a man is a name. Lui è Marco. He is Marco. You can also say sono a man and è Marco. You can skip the pronoun when you are introducing someone or yourself to someone. Okay? These were just some examples. In the next video, we will learn how to introduce yourself in details. And you will learn many more things in the next video. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Like it if it was helpful and share with others. And also subscribe to Language Animated channel for more Italian lessons. Thanks for watching.